Hello guys, now we have been discussing that number of throughput units, that is TU, and number of partitions. It depends on number of messages and message size. So that is number of events and event size. So guys, message and event is one and the same thing. But then how we can find this reference data if we need? So for that we have message matrix and throughput matrix. So we can analyze this message and throughput data over a certain period of time, and then we can estimate the number of TUs we need. So for example, we can connect a few sample devices in our QA or staging environment. We can observe this matrix for a certain period of time, and then we can come to an approximate figure of TU we need. And now let's see it in portal. So we are in Azure portal, and let's open this namespace, that is standard namespace. So we are under overview, and if we go down, see, we can see this request, messages and throughput. So we have three types of metrics, and we are more interested in this messages and throughput. Okay, now let's send a few sample messages to this event hub, that is event hub in this namespace, and then we'll observe these messages and throughput metrics, and then we'll quickly discuss about request metrics, message metrics and throughput metrics. So let's click on this generate data, and let's send a few sample messages. So paste it over here, let's send. Let's send another message. Let's send third message. Generate data. Let's send fourth message. Generate data. And let's send 5 message. And let's send. So you can see we have sent 5 messages to this event hub, and now let's check those metrics. So again, let's go to overview, and guys, and if you see this message and throughput data, it's not reflected immediately, so we may need to wait for a few seconds or maybe couple of minutes. So let's wait. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes and I simply refreshed it, and now if you observe under messages, if you follow a mouse, see, it shows 5 messages, and if you go down, see, here also it shows 5, and also under throughput as well, it shows this incoming bytes as well, right? And now let's go back to our presentation. So we have three types of metrics, that is request, message and throughput metrics. So first, request metrics. So it counts the number of data and management operations requests. So for example, if we send a batch of 10 messages to event hub, it will count number of requests is equal to 1 only. But in this case, the number of messages, it will be counted as 10, and we are more interested in this message metrics. Okay, and finally throughput metrics. So it shows the message size, that is incoming bytes and outgoing bytes.